Hey guys, Kodak here. Welcome to my workbench. So this is where I do my electronics and bits and pieces, and today I'm going to try and quick tutorial on how to connect one of those with one of these. What are these, you say? Well, this is an Arduino Nano. What's that? Atmel Mega 328p on it. I've had these for a few years now. Nice little unit, powerful enough for what I need to do. Had these for, what's the date code? 1625, so yeah, midway through 2016. So yeah, I've had these for a few years now because I bought that new. And this is a little relay board. Logic in, 5 volts in. Switching here, what's going to switch? 250 volts AC at 10 amps, or for you Americans, 10 amps at 125 volts AC, or roughly 30 volts DC at 10 amps. I'm switching 12 volts at a couple of amps, so not too much of a problem. Fairly simple little device, fairly cheap. Well, both these are fairly cheap. So first off, let's see if this thing works. So let's plug it into the computer and plug it in USB, and let's switch across to the IDE. Right, so what we've got here is the infamous blink. So Arduinos have a built-in LED connected to one of the pins. So set the pin to output. So setup gets run once at the start, and then loop just constantly runs until the machine turns off. So it says digital write here, and if you hover over it says what pin and what value. So digital write on, wait a second, then for that LED turn off, then wait a second, and then come back to the start, turn on, off. So this should cause that LED to blink once a second, second on, second off, second on, second off for infinity. Verify, yep, that's fine. Let's upload it to the board. So I've got the Arduino set up on COM3. It's done uploading, nice and quick. And then if we flick back and have a look, you can then see, yep, look at that, blinking LED once a second. Isn't that great? Isn't that absolutely phenomenal? Yeah, I know you're underwhelmed, but never mind. So what do we need? This is 3 pins. There's a minus, a plus, and a signal. So ground, 5 volts, and the signal turn on off. 5 volts high, turns on, so it's active high. Put 5 volts on, turns on the relay, take 5 volts off, either put it back down to 0 volts. It'll be turned off. So let's set this up. So first off, green wire, let's plug it into the negative for ground. Red wire, let's go to positive, and let's make the blue wire signal. So that's fairly easy to do. But what we're going to plug on through on the Arduino. So let's have a look at this handy diagram I have. It's for a slightly different layout, I think. Actually, no, it's the same layout. No, this one's got resistors here rather than there, but never mind. Close enough. So if we have a look at it, we have 5 volts here, so that's 5 volt out. There's ground there, which is useful, and then let's choose a digital pin on this side. Don't want any of the analog stuff connect at the moment, so let's try. I always have a fancy for D7. Pin 11 on the chip that way down, but let's just say D7. And the name you use in the code is this beigey color here called PD7 is what we need to switch. So let's go over here. Blue is signal, so we find D7, which is that one there. So it should be, what was it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 1, 2, D7. Red, we want 5 volts, which is that pin there. And this green is ground, which is there. So as you can see, nothing too complicated. 3 pins in, 3 pins out. Sorry for the length of the wires, it's what I had. Let's plug it in. And as you can see, the LED starts flashing again because that's what I've currently got set up, is the blink. So let's go back here. And well, fairly obviously, let's just switch this to PD7. Oops, PD7. PD7. And PD7. Let's verify that I can spell. I can spell. Ended up And that's uploaded. And now, click back. You can hear, hopefully. I'll hold that up to the mic, you can hear. There you go. It's clicking away, and as you can see the little LED on the relay is clicking away. So that's the first start of, actually, let's just unplug that because the ticking becomes annoying. But that's the first part of the project is, let's get one of these to talk to one of these. And the project's going to need 4 of them in all. And as I said, I'm going to do a video shortly explaining what the project is, but all you need to know is at the moment is we're going to have one of these talking to 3 of these and another one talking to one of these. So it's a bit of a control setup. But hope you enjoyed that. Hope you've learned something. If you have any questions, please ask. I know it's fairly simple. It's 3 wires and 5 lines of code. But yeah, it's a good start. It's building blocks. So let's start simple. That's the first bit. Next bit, we're going to get a bit more complicated and start talking to thermistors, I think. So, hope you found that enjoyable. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!